Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are announcing, Dory at Dory's Dollies and I, that we're having a challenge, 3 of them, and I'm going to give you the dates and times, but each one is 10 o'clock Central, in case I forget to say it for each one. The first one is Dolls Gone Goth. Now this can be any doll. She doesn't even have to look scary or anything like that. We just want you to join in on the fun. This month on the 16th at 10 a.m., the theme is Dark Flowers. Now you can have dead flowers or dark colored flowers in your background around your goth doll, or dress them in something that has dark colored flowers, anything like that. You probably will come up with even more ideas. On the 18th, we have Hi Barbie. We do that each month at 10 a.m. on the 18th of each month. This month's theme is Big Barbie. That's a Barbie, anything larger than 11.5 inches, 11 and a half, which is the standard size of a Barbie. However, some of the Barbies now are 12 and up, so you could use those, or the My First Barbies, or the 28-inch Barbies, or 36, or oh my goodness, there's too many sizes to mention here. But I'll bet you have one if you just take a tape measure and look at your Barbies. And that's the only part of the theme is Big Barbie. You can dress them or set them up any way you want. And then upcoming June 3rd, be sure and put all these on your calendar. At 10 a.m. is Amaya Raine Day. Now, we call it Amaya Raine Day, but it's actually any Rainbow High or Shadow High doll you would like to use. And this is going to be a fun one. The theme this month is swimsuits. However you want to interpret that. I hope we get to see some of the boy dolls in trunks. That would really be cute. Thank you for watching. Please go by Dory's today and see what she's got for her invitation video. She really goes all out. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.